So hello guys, this is the part 8 of PYQ series of JEE Mains 2025 of Organic Chemistry. So the today's first question is, in the given reaction identify A and B. So one reaction is given that A reacts to A in presence of PDC gives C double bond C, here C2H5, here CH3, here H and H. And another one reaction is given that CH3 C triple bond C, CH3 plus H2 in presence of sodium liquid, sodium and liquid in H3 gives product B. Identify this A and this B. So here, from here you can see this is linear catalyst S2 in presence of PDC. So here what happened, alkyne is reduced to cis alkene, that is sin addition of hydrogen to one of the cis addition of hydrogen to the triple bond to use double bond. So here what should be A? Here from product we can write CH3, here 3 triple bond C, C2H5, that is 1 2 3 4 5 pent to pentyne. So now what will be the B? This is the Birch reduction in which alkyne can be reduced to trans alkene, that is CH3 C double bond C, here C2H5 H and H. This should be the product. So what is the name of that product? Trans pentyne. Sorry, here CH3 is there, therefore this will become methane ethane propane butane. So here 1 2 trans to butene. What is B? Trans to butene. And what is A? To pentyne. So here the correct option is D. In D option, A is 2 pentyne and B is trans to butene. So correct option is B. Now the next question. In today's second question, match list 1 with list 2. Here this is the application based question. In list first, compounds are given, and in list second, uses are given of that compound. So here first one is carbon tetrachloride. I am writing direct answer here. Carbon tetrachloride. Here four options were here, four uses were given. Among these, carbon tetrachloride is used for which? Fire extinguisher. So carbon tetrachloride is used for fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Be given that methylene chloride. Methylene chloride. See here, if you have studied this question, then you can only answer of that question. Otherwise, you can't give the answer of that question. So here, methylene chloride is used in paint remover. Paint remover. This is directly come from NCERT book. If you have read, then you can directly answer that question. See given that DDT. DDT is used in non-biodegradable insecticide. Non-biodegradable insecticide. And the last one is freons are used in refrigerator and air conditions. refrigerators and air conditioners. So this is the answer of that question. Among these, out of four options, second option is given that. So second option B, say B option of that question is correct. So now the third question. So here also question is match list first and list second. So here in list 1 reactants were given and list 2 products are given. So here first one is phenol in presence of zinc and heat. B is given that phenol CH3Cl3, that is chloroform, NaOH, HCl. Phenol CO2, NaOH and HCl. NaOH, HCl, and last one is phenol concentrated HNO3. So here options were given in second list. First one is salicylaldehyde. Second one is salicylic acid. Third one is benzene. Fourth one is picric acid. So if you see here, if we react phenol with zinc and heat, so phenol will be reduced to what? Benzene, directly in benzene. So here this A has answered third one. So now if you see here, phenol in presence of chloroform, NaOH and HCl. What is the name of that reaction? Remer-Tiemann reaction. It gives salicylaldehyde. This is the Remer-Tiemann reaction. This is very well known reaction. We have already studied in previous video also. So this is very much important reaction. This gives salicylaldehyde. So B has first. So now if phenol is reacted with carbon dioxide, NaOH and HCl, it gives salicylic acid. So Cl, second one, and last one, phenol in concentrated HNO3. Here the nitration of phenol occurs at all the position, that is both ortho and para position. So here if phenol concentrated HNO3 gives AOH, NO2, NO2, NO2. What is the name of that compound? Picric acid. What? Picric acid. So this gives picric acid. So here the correct option among the four options is B. B option is correct of that. I am not writing option here. The only concept is clear, that phenol on reaction with zinc or heated with zinc, that is reduction of phenol gives benzene. Here B is Remer-Tiemann reaction, which gives salicylaldehyde. Here also phenol on reacting with carbon dioxide in presence of NaOH and HCl gives salicylic acid, and phenol on reacting with concentrated HNO3 gives picric acid. So now the today's next question is, here question is, acid A formula in the above reaction is, the given reaction is that C2H5Br on reacting with alcoholic KOH gives A, which on further reaction with Br2 in presence of ClCl4. CCl4 gives B, which on further reaction with KCN in excess amount gives C, which on further hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis is 3O plus in excess gives D. What is the name? Here one of the acid is formed and we have to find out the name of that acid. So here if we see here first, here alcoholic KOH is used. In previous video question depend on that concept is also used asked. So here what will happen? Here elimination is occur. Proton from beta carbon and this bromine is knocked out. So here formation of alkene, simple alkene, CH2 double bond CH is occurs. So after that if we reacted with bromine in CCl4, there sin addition of bromine is occurs here. So CH2 CH2 Br Br, and for this is B, this one is A, and dibromethane 1 to dibromethane on further reaction with KCN is cyano group is attached here nucleophilic substitution reaction. If you use AgCN then isocyanate is formed, but KCN is used, therefore cyano group is attached here. So here KCN is in excess, therefore both Br group was replaced by Cn, and if we hydrolyze this, what will happen? After hydrolysis, Cn group is converted to carboxylate group. So here what will be the last product? This one is C, this COH, this one is also COH, this is the D. What is the name of that acid? This is the dibasic acid. The name of that acid is succinic acid. So C option is correct of that question. This is a simple reaction and important reaction based on conceptual question. So now the today's next question is, this question is based on practical organic chemistry. Simple one statement question is, Lessaigne's test is used for the detection of which element? What? Lassagnes, Lessaigne's test. If you did the practical in your lab of organic chemistry to find out the structure of any given organic compound, then the elementary test is there, which the name of that test is Lessaigne's test. Here this Lessaigne's test is generally used for the detection of element nitrogen, sulfur, sometimes phosphorus also, and halogens. This test is used for detection of that element. So here simple 4 options we are given, and among these C option is that nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogen. So C option of that question is correct. This is a easiest question. If you have studied that, then you can answer easily. So now the next question is, this is also very simple question, very easiest question. The question is the functional group that show negative resonance effect, that is negative resonance, or we also can say that negative M effect. So first option is OH, second one is OR, third one is C double OH, and fourth one is NH3. Among these, which shows minus M or minus R effect? This one shows plus M and plus I effect. Sorry, not plus I, plus M, or we also say that plus R. This one is also show plus M or plus R. This also show plus M or plus R, but this carboxylate shows minus M or minus R. Means all these three are electron donating group. This one is electron withdrawing group. If it attracts the electron density towards itself, then it shows minus M effect. So correct option of that question is C. So now the today's next question. This is also moderate, you can say moderate question. Here the question is, which among the following has highest boiling point? Here four options were given. A is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. B option is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. C option is CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. D option is C2H5O, C2H5O. Among these, which one has the highest boiling point? If you see here all the four compound, then ethanol, not ethanol, methane, ethane, propane, butanol, that is hydroxy group, shows strong hydrogen bonding with another butanol group. So due to strong hydrogen bonding, this has high boiling point. So we, butanol has the highest boiling point. So correct option is A. If you see here order, increasing order of boiling point, so first will come A, then next among these three, this both will show hydrogen bonding, but not hydrogen bonding. This both have polarity. Due to polarity, boiling point is higher, but this has more polar bond because C double bond O R H. This has more polar bond. Therefore, next will come C, then D, and then B. This is the order of boiling point. But question is that which among the following has the highest boiling point? So we have only need to find out which has the highest boiling point. So here the correct option is A, which is butanol. So now the next question. This question is also very easy. Select the compound from the following that will show intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So here four options were given. First one is orthonitrophenol. Second one is water. Third one is ethanol. And last one is NH3. Which one will you show intramolecular hydrogen bonding? There are two types of hydrogen bonding. One is intermolecular and another is intramolecular. Intermolecular means hydrogen bonding between two different molecules. Suppose water is there. Here one water molecule is and here another water molecule is. So hydrogen bonding between this oxygen and this hydrogen of another molecule in oxygen of another molecule, this is called a intermolecular. And intramolecular means suppose this orthonitrophenol N double bond O minus and here OH, this O and this H are in the same molecule, so this type of hydrogen bonding is called as intramolecular. Same here, ethanol is also show intermolecular and NH3 also show intermolecular. So the question is that intramolecular hydrogen bonding, which will be shown this orthonitrophenol. So the correct option is A. So today's last question is the number of compounds which gives reaction Hinsberg reagent. Reaction with Hinsberg reagent. Here some compounds were given, out of which we have to find out which will give reaction with Hinsberg reagent, which will give reaction with Hinsberg reagent. Generally, Hinsberg reagent is used to distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary amine groups. So here, what is Hinsberg reagent? Phenyl SO2 and Cl. If tertiary amine is there, it can't react with this reagent, Hinsberg reagent. If secondary amine is there, then it can react with the Hinsberg reagent and gives suppose A product. And here in if and further in Hinsberg test, that this product A formula is dissolved in base. If it is soluble, then it is primary amine, and if it not soluble, then this is secondary. So see here, tertiary amine can't react with Hinsberg reagent. If secondary amine is there, it will react with this. If it is secondary amine, it will react with Hinsberg reagent, that, but it will not soluble in that base. But if primary amine is there, it will react with also Hinsberg reagent and also soluble in base. So we can easily distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary amine. So here some compounds were given. I am drawing here structure of that. So if you see here, this is the diazoxide salt. This is not react with Hinsberg reagent. This is a secondary amine. This react with Hinsberg reagent but not soluble in base. So this will also react. This is the primary amine. This is the pyridine. So this will not react with Hinsberg reagent, and this is the tertiary amine. This will also not react with Hinsberg reagent. So among these, this and this will react with Hinsberg reagent. The question is which will react with Hinsberg reagent. So correct answer is this and this two. But if they asked which will give positive Hinsberg test, that is which will react with Hinsberg reagent as well as soluble in base, then only this will be the answer. But the question is which will be react. So secondary will also react. So here this is the numerical answer type question. The correct option is 2. So thank you guys. This is enough for today. I will continue this PYQ series in next video also. And so the next video will be last video. After that, all the PYQ of JEE in 2024 will be completed. So next we will discuss some another things. I will tell you later in the next video. Thank you.